Here is the app called Kira AI Fantasy Chat AI Roleplay Game. Explore AI fantasy world, AI-driven immersive dialogue. Be with you every day, step of the way. Tune your vision into reality. Have fun interacting with bots. Unlock the power of AI conversations. Welcome to Kira AI, the revolutionary chat app that allows you to connect with intelligent AI personalities for engaging in meaningful conversations. Where you seeking companionship, advice, or just someone to chat with. Kira AI is designed to enhance your chatting experience in ways never imagined. Dynamic AI chatting, explore interest, personalized experience, global connections, continuity and flexibility, custom AI avatars, goal-oriented interactions, privacy first. So here's the app. Let's just open it up. So there are a lot of these AI chatting apps, but recently there are more and more like AI role play apps where you just can build AI scenarios and things like that. So here you can then just enter, and then you can select this how it looks like. Then you select 50% off, but then
Hi
you
there,
can
I'm
just
Marie, and this is my
basically have chats. You can discover all of this photos for you, realistic, and then you have your account. You can always upgrade. Lifetime $80, yearly $70, monthly $30, and that's then you have gems. You can watch ads and get gems. Then you can also see in here, and then you can see what is the pricing and how you earn this. And then there is a chat, and then there is discovery. And that's basically the idea of the app. There are no invite codes. There is no promo codes. So you just like literally you need to upgrade, and then you start chatting.